okay, for you to actually retrieve at any point of time. And this is the timetable, my dear. Okay. So once you click on this
Yes,
one, you have seen this timetable, my dear.
yes, I've seen it.
You have seen this now. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So, my dear, you should teach some things to your St. Austin's University students also. They don't see the timetables and then they blame later on the teachers and all that no, no, we are not serious, we are not handled seriously or something. So, I'll give you an example of yours only that you have seen everything without even telling you. So, that's very good, my dear. So, this is
Thank
the
you, sir.
time. Thank you so much, my dear. So you see that the whole, this thing, yeah. So the whole time, is 8 weeks, and this Monday to Sunday, these are all the weekdays. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
every week from Monday to Sunday, so you will have a time, of the class scheduled, and this is the subject which would be taught on that particular day, and then this could be some kind of topics which would be covered. They're not comprehensive, but you have to go through the book. Okay, so I'm going to share with you that how you can access that book. So this is the Indian time, and as you know that India is uh, forward than Cameroon by four and a
Yes, sir.
half hours. So 10 p.m. Indian
Yes,
time is equal to 5:30 p.m. Cameroonian time.
okay,
And
sir.
that's when we have started just now. So every day this would be there. And on Sundays, you will have the class of 1 or 1.5 hours instead of one
Okay, sir.
hour because you'll be free on Saturdays and Sundays. That is the weekends. So if the time permits, we'll have the class of 1.5 hours also on Saturday
Okay,
or
sir.
Sunday, depending upon the you and the teacher. Right, right, children. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
concerning the timetable, my dear. So there could be some changes in the timetable. Suppose that let's say tomorrow you say that no, we have got the exams for let's say 2 or 3 days. So we have to, like basically stop some classes or you want to do more classes. Then you will see that whatever we discuss, this timetable will keep on changing. Normally does not change at all, but still, if there is a possibility, so this timetable can keep on changing. So you will keep on,
Yes,
you will keep the link the same only. The link would be the same only. But when you click on this link, there is quite possible that the timetable behind could change if your timings, if you suggest that okay, a particular time is more suitable to you, or a particular day the class has not been held on that particular day, so it can change. You have to refer to this timetable, for the class. Okay, my children. So that is one part.
yes,
So for attending the live class, you just have to click on this particular link. As you can just sorry. So this is the interface. So for attending the live class, you just have to click on attending the live class and you'll be able to attend the live class. Okay.
yes, sir.
And then
Yes,
you have to submit the homework and you this is the tab for the subject, that would be
yes,
taught to you. And all the classes that are being given to you, so they are saved over here in the various tabs. For example, you have just done maths only, so only maths is there. When you do today science, so from tomorrow the science tab is also going to appear over here. Then when you do
yes,
the geography, it will also appear over here. And when you do the ICT classes, it will be appearing over here.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
So right
Yes,
now you have the only maths, my dear children. So you just have to, this is only one which is appearing, learn maths. So when you click on this one, so you have seen this.
yes,
When
sir.
you click on this one, you go on this page, right? And you know your
Yes,
passwords already, my dear. Do you know passwords?
yes, sir.
So your password is S1 and S2, and login ID and the password both are the same. Okay. So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see that here they're getting populated. For example, you have got two lectures already with Dr. Surya. So two lectures have
Yes, sir.
happened already. So this is the live online recording of both the lectures, lecture 1 and lecture 2.
Okay, sir.
So this you have to refer to again and again, my dear, because that is going to give you more understanding, of the topic which is being taught, and you will get a very
Okay,
good
sir.
understanding of the same. All right. And
Okay,
then
sir.
Dr. Surya or any other honorable trainer, so he would be following a book, which is an ebook. So this we have specially made for you, this ebook, with reference to what exactly you have to do. Because you see,
Okay,
the
sir.
time is very limited of just 2 months only, dear, isn't it? So since the time is very limited with you and you've already done something in the school, so our emphasis would be not to waste too much of time in introducing the topics which you've already known in the school. Our focus, as your mother has told us, is to make you clear the examinations with flying colors, which
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure you would do also. Okay. So this book has been specially tailor made from that point of view. So if you click on this book, so it is going to have you clicked on this book everywhere? Have you seen this book?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
So I've not yet seen this book.
But have you seen this book or no? No, na?
No, sir. So I have a question.
Yes, please. Yes, tell me, dear.
Says IGCS is the same as Cambridge checkpoint.
No, this course already I had spoken to your mother, and she knows about the course, and then she suggested that we can go ahead with this particular course,
Okay,
which
sir.
is the mathematics 580 0580. So that's what you're following in school also. I confirmed that with your mother earlier, Honorable Vishalin ma'am. Okay, dear. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So have you seen this book before? No.
No, sir.
Okay, so you have to go through because the teacher is going to exactly follow this book.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and
Okay, sir.
then he is also going to introduce many other things in the parallelly while teaching in the classes, but he is going to follow this book completely, so that we are able to clear everything, because this whole mathematics and science also, it is only 20 hours that we have with us, right? So in 2 months time we have only 65.5 hours, my dear, in which we have to finish the various subjects like English, and maths, like science, like social
Yes, sir.
science, which includes geography and everything. We have got limited
Yes,
time for each subject. So you cannot afford to miss any class, my dear. If you miss the class, you'll miss in the performance also. And you have to continuously refer to these books and read yourself, from these books from time to time, so that when the teacher teaches in the class, you are ahead of the class, right?
okay, sir.
So as you can just see that it is starting with the various things like numbers, then it is having algebra, then it is having linear equations, okay, quadratic equations, then it is having geometry, right? Then it is having graphs, okay, geometry is there, as you can see. Then it is having trigonometry, okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
then it is having mensuration. All these topics are there, okay. So for learning any topic, knowing any topic, you just have to just click over here, and then you have to click over here. You will go to that particular topic,
Okay, sir.
okay. And it is quite possible that depending upon, after seeing your performance in the classes, we might improve on this literature also of the books and all, so that we have been, we have made it in such a way that it is meant especially from the Cameroon point of view. So whether it is this maths book, or it is science book, or geography book, or any other book, you will see that it is specially meant for the Cameroon, I don't know what you call that, quadrant. for the IGCSE. Okay,
Yes.
so you'll find it very interesting. It is very, very simple. In very simple words, we are explaining each and everything. And once you go through this book, I'm sure that all your doubts concerning any subject, like whether it is mathematics, this one, or science, or any other subject, they would be just, you know, evaporating in thin air. It's very good book. Okay, this we have made especially for you. Okay, and we'll be making other books especially for you also. So this ebook, you have to really mug and read it again and again. In case you have any problem in the book, you can ask your teacher, and you can also consult the ES book. Okay, so now this is one part, that is the book. Now the live online lecture, whatever your teacher is teaching you, you have known this. Have you seen those saved lectures? So if I click over here, for example, so this tab is going to open. So whatever the teacher has taught you,
It's true. Yes, yes.
okay, that is the
Oh,
class one.
in front
So
of
this
me.
is the name of your teacher, Surya,
So now with this
class
one.
one, mathematics.
Oh,
So I
Father.
can see that
This is one.
my dear,
Can you tell what mistake you made? We can correct it.
Yes. So the thing is that I
okay,
forgot that in
so this
front of
whole
an
class was
X.
there. So which was given, and it was 1 hour and 21 minutes duration, as you know. So this you have to visit again and again, and you can also use the captions over here. In case you have not understood something, then these captions you will find on the YouTube automatically, and this is the caption. Okay, so
Yes.
whatever the teacher speaks, so it would be in
For it.
words. Okay,
Okay, B, very easy. Second
Yes, sir.
one.
as you can see. Okay, my
Seven,
dear.
seven, eight.
So you have to go through these lectures again and again whenever you find time, so that you don't miss out anything, and all the things that the teacher teaches, you're not even not only able to understand that more properly the second time or the third time, but also remember those concepts. Okay. So
Sir.
this
Yes.
is live lecture one, live lecture two. Okay. Then we have the e-learning videos, over here. So, depending upon the lecture, like lecture one, this Mr. Surya has given the e-learning video. So, you have to go through this video also. It is
Yes.
supplementary to what he is teaching. Okay. So, you have to click on
Yes.
this one. And once you click on this one, you will find this. Have you clicked ever on this one? Have you seen this one before?
No, sir.
No,
So I've
na.
seen
So,
it.
this is your password, my dear. S1 and S1. So, these are our state of the art lectures depending upon the topic which we have prepared for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you just
Yes.
click on the play button over here, you have to wait for a few seconds for the video to come in. So you can see.
So let's say if you have the expression 5x plus 8 minus 2x. How can we simplify this expression? To do so, you need to combine like terms. We can't add 5x and 8. We can't say that's 13x because these are not like terms.
Okay, dear. So
5x,
here you can pause and here you can play. This is, you can move 10 seconds. This you can mute,
Okay,
but the
sir.
video will go on. And then if you want to hear the voice also, you can
so we can
unmute
add
it.
those two numbers since they don't have a variable.
Okay.
8 plus 5.
Okay, sir.
Understood, my dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the most important thing is this. Student assistant. This is an AI bot, artificial intelligence bot. You know the meaning of AI, artificial
Yes.
intelligence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can ask this bot any question and it is going to answer that question in a very interesting, very good sort of a way so that you remember everything. Okay. For example, let us say here the teacher is teaching about expression, for example. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so you can just pause it over here and you can answer ask this, like AI bot. It's an AI professor. But what is,
Yes,
let's say, a variable? Okay, it is going to give you answer. No, just a moment. I think it is not over here. So, but you can use this. Just a moment. I'm just going to, just a moment. I'm sharing this
yes,
tab, like once again. We have put it over here instead. Just a moment. This is the dashboard. Okay, dear. So we have put it over here at one place so that it is easy to access for you. So talk to AI professor. You just click on this one and you just say, what is a variable? Okay, or anything else, whatever you want to ask. Any doubt, which you have, is going to answer you concerning the course. Okay.
yes, sir.
The variable is a name that is assigned a value. It is used to store and refer to a specific value. Okay. So can
Yes, sir.
you elaborate in simple terms? Okay. Or just say in
Yes,
simple terms. Okay, dear. Are you understanding yours?
yes, sir.
Are you understanding? Okay. So you see, variable is a name that is assigned a value. So we are not able to understand this. Now, even I am also not able to understand this. So I just told him that, okay, in simple terms. So now it has said a variable is like a box that holds a piece of information. You can use the box to store a name, a number, or a picture, or anything else. So now it is clear to you what is a variable, right?
So,
So here you can use the professor, AI professor, to teach everything very, very simple, very, very simply. So you can also know more simple piece. Okay, still. Okay. So
Yes,
when
sir.
you just click send over here, so you see a variable is like a placeholder for a piece of information. You can use it to store a name, a number, or a picture. It's a placeholder. It can be anything. Okay, so this is what the variable is all
Okay,
about.
sir.
Likewise, any doubt that you have, suppose in an ebook, for example, uh, this is an ebook. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, so now you don't
Yes,
understand, let's say HCF and LCM, over here in the book. Okay, so you
yes, sir.
can just say like this, you copy this, over here. Okay, and then you go to the tab over here. Just a moment. You go to the tab over here. Okay, and then you just
Yes, sir.
paste this over here. Okay, and say, explain this in very simple terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. It is not. Okay, just a moment. What does it mean in very simple terms? It is not coming, but you can just say, what is LCM? Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Okay. So you can say LCM, a number that is the smallest number divisible by two numbers. Okay. Now you got it. How you can use this? Are
Sir,
you are you
can
able
use
to
it.
see properly right here? Are you able to hear properly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Very
Honorable,
fine. Very fine, India.
they can hear
Very
you very
fine, dear.
well. I'm telling them to be audible. They can hear you very well, Honorable. I'm actually telling them to be audible.
Oh, surely, Honorable Ma'am. Thank you so much, Honorable Ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Honorable Ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Your
So
answer in a way that
now,
people can.
yeah. So as you will go around, you will find these getting more and more populated. Okay, so you have to see everything, and the contents within the system also could change. So you can refer to them, based upon what you know and what you don't know. So this will continuously getting improved by itself. Okay. So this is what I
Okay, sir.
wanted to share with you. Now this is one thing. Other is the mock test. Okay. So have you
Yes,
ever
sir.
clicked on this button, mock test?
Yes, sir.
If
Ever.
you click on this one,
To
you will
physics.
go to the examination center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here the teacher is going to put more and more papers, from time to time, because the objective is to have good hands-on practice on the papers.
Yes,
Okay. So here you have to, once you open this, you have to put in your name and everything, and you have to put your class. Let's say over here. So I'll just put S1. Okay, dear. So like this, and then you have to click on fetch the examination. So these examinations would be there from time to time, and then, oh, just a moment. S1. So here you can see that the exam has begun over here. Okay, just a
yes, sir.
mock exam. So once you click on begin exam, you will find the paper over here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, so conceptual and application based question papers, motion and forces. A bus moving at 15 meters per second suddenly accelerates uniformly to 25 meters per second in 5 seconds. Okay, you have got to give the answer.
Yes,
So you can type the answer over here. Okay, for example,
yes,
one. Okay, so 1A, you say after doing all the calculations. So you say, let's say 15. So like this, okay, and it's complete a
yes,
mathematical, kind of a thing. So you can use this, let's say x square, okay. For example, if you just say 2, it is going to come as 2 square over here, okay. Or just a moment, it's not coming. Or root 2. So this you can just have a hands on how to use it, okay,
yes, sir.
like this. You can use it like this. Root 2, root 3, and square. Okay, so like that. So once you do it over here, and then you can paste it over here. There is some mechanism of it. So this you will come to know. When you see over here it is coming. Okay, so like this. So some of the questions could be mathematically based or graphically based or something. So idea is to make you familiar with all the questions which are there in the IGSE syllabus for each subject. Okay, dear. So it is important that way. So this is the examination. Once you finish, you have to click on submit the examination. And once you click on submit the examination, it would be submitted. And the teacher is going to get an email that he has, the student has finished the examination, and then he can check
Yes,
it, and then he can reform his teaching style accordingly. Okay.
yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is, thank you, my dear. So this is one part of it, and then from time to time you have to submit your homework. Okay, whatever teacher
Yes,
gives
sir.
you, you have to submit your homework. You have to click on this one, so you will reach over here on this page. Okay, here you have to select your name.
Yes,
Okay, whether it is Edward Berto or Nakuma. Okay, so if it is
yes,
Miss
sir.
Nakuma, she will select her name over here. Then she will, give her password over here. So then she will enter her student password over here. Then she will select her institution, and she will select, for which course, for which subject she is submitting the assignment. Whether it is mathematics, you can click over here. Then module and assignment number, for example, you can say class 1. Okay, what you said,
Yes.
date of uploading. You have to upload the assignment before the next class, my dears. I'm sorry, but you have to do it. Okay. So then you have to
Okay, sir.
upload the assignment over here. So like this, you have to upload the assignment. So you can see that it is getting uploaded right now. Okay, it is now uploaded. So then you have to, just click on this one. Okay. And then one time you also have to verify your phone number. Okay. So once you say yes, only one time you have to do. Rest of the time we can just leave it. No problem. We will come to know that already it is verified. But you have to verify. And once you click on this one, click here to verify your phone number. Okay. So you click on this one.
Yes.
Okay. So you will get an OTP on that phone. For example, my phone number is this. So I'll enter my phone number. Okay. So what's your phone number, my dear?
680. Let me give you my
No,
mother.
plus 237
37 680
687 687
680
680. Uh-huh.
16
Give me one.
680
16 16 82
82.
51.
Everyone. Okay. So once I click on send OTP, you'll receive a message on this number. Okay. So you can see that the OTP is sent. You just check your phone number and the message box of the phone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me the OTP.
363132.
767182, right?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
You're
36.
not audible.
767182, right?
It's
No, sir.
36,
I'll
31.
say it again. Yeah.
Sir, delete the number you wrote.
Is it the number which I've written? The
No,
same number?
it's not it. No, it's not it.
Okay, tell me.
It's 36,
Tele 6 means what, dear?
36, 36.
36. Oh, I'm so sorry, my dear. I'm so sorry. Yes.
It's okay, 31,
31,
32.
32.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I click on verify. So it is coming over here because I've just shared the tab only. So you can't see it, but I can see it that the phone number is verified successfully. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it is
Yes,
saying
Yes,
it
sir.
sir.
is verified successfully. Now you can go to the original page over here, right? And since it is verified already, you can submit the assignment.
Okay, sir.
So this is how you have to submit the assignment, my dear. And when you submit the
Yes.
assignment, we will get the email, over here, okay, from time to time. So that is what. Oh, sorry. So here you submit the assignment over here, and once you submit, this is going to come because I was in the other tab. So thanks, we have received the assignment submission. Okay. So this is what you have to do.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And now, yeah, Honorable Surya sir, are you there?
Sorry.
Sir,
Hello,
I'm here.
honorable.
I am here.
Ah,
Yeah, sir. Now you can just kindly start because I've just told them the basic things. So please, sir, you can just kindly start. So now, children, Honorable Surya sir is going to take your class.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So I've told you the basic things, so just keep the same in mind. Okay, Honorable Surya sir, kindly, sir, just start.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Good evening, Mr.
Most welcome.
Surya.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. Hello, 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 Nakoma. How are
Hi,
you?
sir.
I'm
Hi,
fine,
both of you.
sir.
Thank
How are you doing? Doing good?
you. Fine.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Thank you. Sanyu.
Yes, I'm doing good. What were you doing before the class?
Eating.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, are you energetic? Are you having lot of energy? Can we start?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is physics class, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What do we study in physics? Tell me.
Matter. The law of matter.
What?
Energy.
Matter energy.
Matter,
Matter.
energy.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, you know what is the first chapter in your syllabus? What is the first physics chapter in your syllabus? Do you know it?
Newton. Motion and Newton. Law.
Forces and motion, right?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have some book with you? Like, do you have any book or anything of physics?
Physics book.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Upside down.
After this
Give me the
class, you
other.
can do one thing. After this class, you can send me page of all the topics, like the first page of the book, in which all the chapters are there. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. In the chat, send me a picture where all the topics are mentioned, all the chapters are mentioned.
Okay, sir.
The index page. Send me picture of the index page. After the class, you can do, or your mama can do side by side. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So now I am sharing the screen, and I also have a book. We will see that book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Answer
So
audible.
yes. Are you guys saying something? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Can you see the book?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of first chapter? Can you tell me?
Force and motion.
Force.
Forces
Forces
and
and
yes. Okay. Can you read this paragraph? A small paragraph here.
Um.
This one. This one.
Yes, sir.
okay. Forces make things move like atlas.
This rocket is called Atlas 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is carrying Cygnus spacecraft to the International Space Station. Do you know about International Space Station?
No, sir.
NASA.
In space, there is a station. Like there is a place made by astronauts, by NASA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There are people
Yes.
living there. They are just watching Earth from top. One lady was stuck there. You can, after this class now, you can check about a lady called Sunita Williams. Her name is Sunita Williams. You know, due to some problem, na, she was stuck there. Like she was stuck in International Space Center, not on Earth, outside Earth, and we were not able to bring her back on Earth. It took lot
Sir,
of time to. Yes.
did she come back?
Yeah, she came back, but after a lot of struggle and investing lot of money and lot of energy we wasted to bring her back. Like you can do some research after the class about her, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So forces can make things slow down. Force can make something slow, force can make something fast. Right? Like when you apply the brake on a car becomes slow. That
Yes,
is
sir.
a force, right? So in this chapter, we are going to study about force and motion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. See, what are we going to study? We will study plot and we will study about graphs. Do you know about graphs?
Yes, sir. Graphs. Yes, sir. Subset of graphs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There are certain things we are going to study about. I will tell you about each and everything. Okay. So first of all, we need to understand one relation. That relation is called speed is equal to distance upon
On time.
time. Okay. Okay, now tell me one thing. Do you have you ever seen a car moving? A moving car? You must have
Yes,
seen,
sir.
right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like, do you ever, if you ever go inside a car, go on a ride inside car, let's say this is your school, and this is your house. Okay,
Yes, sir.
from your school you are going to your house on a way. So, and you are going inside a car. So sometimes your car will be too fast, like speed will be very high, like 80 kilometer per hour or 70 kilometer per hour. But sometimes when there are people around you, there is rush, there is traffic. Speed can become low. Speed can become 40 kilometer per hour or 30 kilometer per hour or 20 kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen a device inside the car which tells us the speed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is called speedometer. It is called
Speedometer.
speedometer. It tells us the speed of the car. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now there are two things. First thing is called average speed. Average speed.
Average speed.
Yes. What is meaning of this word average? Tell me.
Mm.
Like the
It's not too high, it's not too low.
No.
It's in the
Okay.
middle.
I will tell you one more thing. Uh, So, both of you, like Nakoma is having, um, what is the currency that you use there? Franc? Is it name of the currency is franc?
France.
Yeah,
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
you use franc, right? So let's
Yes,
say
sir.
Nakoma has 10 franc and you have 20 franc. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the average money both of you have? What is the average money?
Um,
I don't know. 30 francs.
No, no. Average means
10
the
francs.
lowest
it is 15. You know
is
why?
15. No, sir.
Average means, okay, you both have different amounts, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Average means dividing equal amount. Like both of you have same amount. What will you do? You will bring your money together. It will become 30, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And then you will divide into two persons. So each of you will get.
15.
So what is the average money? 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more. Can we do one more?
Yes, sir.
So now three of you. So one person has 10, one person has 20, and one person has 40, and one more person, he has 30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the average money each has? A is having 10, B is having 20, C is having 40, and D is having.
The average money is 20.
60 plus
20.
60. 100
It's
is
20.
100 divided by 4 is 20. 25. 20. So, 100 divided by
You don't like to work. Calculate. Use your book and calculate before you say 20. You like to guess.
It's 25.
is 25.
Yes. How you got that? Just added everything.
Added and divided it by 4.
By 4.
What is 4? 4 is number of people, right?
Yes, sir.
And 100 is
The amount
The amount.
amount. So how do you get average? What is the formula for average? Average is sum of
is sum of amount divided
all
by,
values. All values or all amounts, right?
yes, sir,
Divided
divided
by
by
number
number
of
of
amount. Number
of
of values.
amount.
Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. This is average. Now we will use it in speed. I will tell you how. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But before that, let's see if you have a question. Yes, we have a question here. And the question tells, wait. Yes. Can you try this question? Can you see this question here? Just read it. And then I will explain.
Okay, sir.
It
A car travels 100 kilometers in 2 hours, so the average speed of the car is 50 kilometers per hour. You can work this out by doing a simple calculation using the following definition of speed. Average speed equals to distance moved divided by time taken. The
You
average
already
speed
know
of
it, right?
yes, sir.
You already know this formula?
Mm,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But tell me one thing. Let's say both of you are traveling in a car. Okay. Imagine, just imagine. Both of you are in a car. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Going with speed, going with some speed. You reach 100 kilometers in 2 hours. 100 kilometers in.
2 hours.
Okay. You can imagine this, right? But tell me one thing. What is your speed here? Your speed is 50 kilometer per hour.
No, it's 50 kilometer. They also be 50 kilometer per half an hour.
Per 1 hour. 100
Yes, sir.
kilometer in 2 hours. 50 kilometer in 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Nakoma, see, you are going 100 kilometers in 2 hours. In 1 hour, you will go half of this, right? In
Yes,
one
Yes,
sir.
hour,
sir.
you will go 50. So speed is 50 kilometer, 1 hour. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But the question is, okay, you have seen a car. There is a meter which tells the speed, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So during the journey, when you look at the meter, will it always show 50 or it will show different speeds?
We show different
You show
speeds
different speeds
So how can we say that the speed is 50 then if it is showing different speeds?
because
Because, yes, yes, tell me.
it's the average speed.
Yes, because kids, there are two type of speeds. One is called average speed, which you calculate like this, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes,
there
sir.
is one more speed. It is called instantaneous speed. It is called,
Severe speed.
Instantaneous speed.
which is shown by the speedometer. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
The speedometer tells at that time how fast is the car going. Okay. And
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
average speed means for entire journey, how long you traveled and how far you traveled. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, great. And what are, okay, what is meaning of unit? Unit means what we write after the number, right? So what is unit of
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
speed? What is unit of speed?
Meters.
V.
Either you can say kilometer per hour or you can
Or
say
meter.
meters per second. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you are talking about kilometers, you will talk in hours. If you talk about meters, you will talk in seconds. Okay. You can also
Yes,
talk
sir.
about centimeter per second. This is also something that some people do. Or you can also talk about miles per hour. Okay.
Miles per hour. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
These are four different units, but most commonly you will see meter per second. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So, yes, this is the formula that you have to remember. Time taken is equal to distance upon speed. See, guys, you know that speed is equal to distance upon time.
Speed
So,
equals to
what will be
this.
time? Time is equal to distance upon speed, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And what will be distance? It will be time multiplied by speed. These are the
By speed.
three versions of the same formula. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just remember these.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Distance is S, right?
Mm-mm.
S.
S is speed.
No,
Yeah,
it's
they are using S for distance, T for time, and V for speed. I just use D for distance, S for speed, and T for time. But you can remember it their way, like in the way they are telling. I'll just erase it. You can use it. See, I'm just giving variable. You can give any variable. So you can say T is equal to distance over speed, or speed is equal to distance over time, or speed is equal to distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, these three
Yes,
you
sir.
can remember. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the triangle method. See, to remember them. If you hide the t, you will see s over v, right?
Yes, sir.
If you hide the v, you will see s over t. But if you hide the s, you will see v multiplied by t.
Yes, sir.
So just to remember how it works, okay?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can remember like this also. It is very easy. Okay. Okay. Now I
Yes.
have a small task for you. Can you read this? Can you read from here slowly?
Figure 1.5 shows a car traveling along a road. It shows the car at 0.5 seconds in intervals. The distance that the car has traveled from the start position
This is the
after.
car they are talking about. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the car they are talking about. First, you can check the picture. What is happening to the car? Look at the car. You know, car started from here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After 5 seconds, the car is here. After no, after half second, the car is here. After 1 second, the car is here. After 1.5, here,
Car is there.
like this, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you see one thing? Can you see one thing? In every 0.5 second, in every 0.5 second, it goes the same distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you observe this?
Yes.
It is going same distance in every 5 seconds. So we can say that it is moving at a constant speed. It is moving at
A
A
constant
constant
speed.
speed.
constant speed means same amount of distance in same amount of time. In every minute, in every 1 minute, it goes 5 kilometers. In every 1 minute, it goes 1 kilometer. In every 1 second, it is going fixed distance. That is constant speed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now you can read this. Okay, now let's come to a blank page here. Okay, so see now I'm going to teach you something very important. Okay, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, be careful. I am giving you two values. One value is called the time value, and one
Time
value
value.
is called distance value. Okay, this is the time, and this is the
Distance value.
distance. Okay, Nakoma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, good, good. Okay, see, kids, this is one point, this is another point. My car, let me try to make a car. This looks like a car.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, it looks like a person wearing a hat. But let's say this is a car. Okay, this is a car. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this car is moving like this. This car is moving in this
Like,
in on this road. Okay,
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
when it started moving, I have a stopwatch. I am having a stopwatch. Okay, this is my stopwatch. So you know
Yes,
when the
sir.
car started moving, I checked the time. I clicked on. I pressed on. It was showing time 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
distance moved was also 0. Okay, when I start the watch,
So,
car was at rest, 0 distance. Okay, after 1 second,
sometimes.
Some.
1 second, it moved a distance of 10 meters. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then again after 1 second, it moved again 10 meters. Then again
10
after one
Yes.
meters.
second, it moved 10 meters.
10 meters.
Again 1 second, again 10 meters. Again 1 second, again 10 meters. Again
Yes.
1 second, again 10 meters. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, what is happening? You know, when time was 0, distance was 0.
0,
When time was 1, distance was
1,
1,
10, 10,
10, 10 meters.
10.
When time, okay, see, 1 second here and one more second. So when we reach here, time is 2 seconds, right?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And distance is 10 and 10. 10 and 10. That is
20,
3, 30, 4, 40,
40,
40,
5, 50. Right?
50,
Getting it? In every 1
yes,
second, it is moving 10. In every 1 second, it is moving 10. In every one,
10,
it is moving 10. Right?
10. Yes,
Now
sir.
we have to make a graph of it. Now we have to make a graph. This is my one axis. This is my other axis. Okay.
yes,
Yes, sir.
On one of the axes, see, they have made also a graph here. Yes. So on this x-axis, I will write the time. I will use the time in second.
time,
And on this axis, I will write the distance.
distance,
That is why. Okay.
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
This is my 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second, 7 second, 8 second. This is my 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40, 50. Okay.
6.
Yes, sir.
So at 1 second, it is at 10. At 0, it is at 0. At 2, it is at 20. At 3, it is at 30. At 4,
30.
it is at 40. At 5, it is at, like this, right?
Yes, sir.
See, when time is 1 second, the distance is 20 meter. When the time is 2 second, distance is 20 meter. When the time is 3 second, distance is 30, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you getting how I'm making this graph?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I'm just joining time and distance. Just joining time and distance.
And
Just
distance.
joining time and distance.
And
Okay.
distance. Yes,
When
sir.
you join all the points, what will you get when you join all the points?
a straight
A
line,
straight line.
Okay.
A straight line. A straight
It's like
Like
line.
chicken.
And this line cannot go below than this point, because when you go below this quadrant is not active, because this is negative y and this is negative x, right?
yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Only in the first quadrant. Okay, this is a straight line. This straight line is called distance time graph. It is called distance time.
Graph,
Graph.
And
Please,
for
sir.
constant speed, yes, yes.
Please, sir. If the car is going but at the negative y side, does it mean that
It
it's
can't
going
go.
reverse?
It can't go this side, because negative y means negative distance. Car cannot go negative distance, no?
Okay,
yes, sir.
sir.
And negative x means time going in negative. Time cannot go reverse. Time is always going in the positive side, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Now you have to just have a look at this graph. See, they have made a table here. When time is 0, distance traveled from start is 0. When time is 0.5, distance traveled 6. After 1, double of this. Like, see, the time is moving by 0.5 and the distance is moving by 6 meters, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the car is going 6 meters in 0.5 seconds or 12 meters in 1 second. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is the graph. This is the distance time graph for that. Can you see it? Can you see the distance time graph?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It goes the same way like our graph did, right?
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Okay, that's it. Let's start.
Yes. Okay, now guys, tell me one thing. Do you know about a word called slope or gradient?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A slope is
What is
like,
slope?
so a slope is slanting.
It's like a
Yes. A slope is called how much a line is inclined, tilt of a line, inclination of a
Yes,
line.
sir.
If slope is like this, if line is like this, slope is zero. Slope is
Agree,
increasing.
sir.
Slope is decreasing, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So if I give you the graph of this line, can you find slope of this line? Do you know how to find slope of a line? No?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will
Yes, sir.
teach you in math. In math class, I will teach you how to find slope of a line. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. For now, just remember slope will be total distance over total time. Total distance is 30. Total time is 2.5. So 30 divided by 2.5. That is 12 meter per second. This is speed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Total distance over total time. Now there are some graphs. Can you see the graphs?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What is happening in this first graph? Can you tell me?
Sir, is zero. It's a slope. It's
Slope is
just
zero,
straight.
right?
Yes, sir.
Slope is zero. That means speed is zero. Speed is
Zero.
if speed of a car is zero, that means the car is not moving. Car is
Not
Yes.
moving.
It's not moving.
see the distance is not changing, right?
Yes, sir.
But time is changing. But the distance is not changing. That means we can say that the car at rest. Car is at
At
Yes.
rest.
got it, got it, got it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
sir.
Now this is object A. This is object B. Can you tell which of the two objects is going at a faster speed?
Mm,
Object
it's object
A.
A.
Object A. Why? Because it is going more distance. At the same time, it is at the higher distance as compared to B, right?
B.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. But they are going with a constant speed. Whenever you get a straight line, the speed is constant. Okay, kids?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, what is happening in this case?
Hmm. So you start with
Slowly,
a
then now
slope. Then after that,
the speed will
the
increase.
speed will increase.
You know, less slope, less slope, less slope, high slope, high
Yes.
slope, high slope, right?
Yes,
Yes,
So
sir.
till here, from here to here, the speed is less. And from here to here, speed is increasing, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happens when speed increases? We say the car is getting accelerated. The car is getting
Accelerated.
Accelerated.
accelerated. Okay. What about this graph?
So it's going at a high speed.
So start
It
at
start at a high speed.
high speed.
It started at high speed, but now slowly it is coming at low speed, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And what about this graph? What will you tell me about this graph? This is important. If you can tell me what is happening here.
So
So it started at a high speed, then now it's going out to a slope.
no, it's instead going down. No.
See.
So
Here
the
we
car
have
is
time as zero. Time is zero here, right?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. So the car is
Just
going down.
the car is not going down. The speed is going down. Okay, see, look. Here, this is origin, right? Here, time is zero. When time is zero, this is the distance, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
When time is one, distance is decreased. When time is two, distance more decreased. When time is three, distance more decreased. When time is this point, distance is zero. So
Zero.
that means we can say we have applied the brake. So slowly car distance is decreasing, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And for that you can read this paragraph once. Check all the diagram, check all the graphs and read this paragraph that is here. Quickly, just read it once. This paragraph in figure 1.7a.
Oh, okay.
That's
In figure 1.7a, the
Wait,
distance is
Nakoma. When you read this, match it with the graph. This is 1.7a.
okay,
So
sir.
whatever you are reading, try to compare in this picture, okay? And then ask me.
Okay, sir. So in figure 1.78, the distance is not changing with time.
Oh, Floribeto.
The line is horizontal. This means that the speed is 0.
Fast.
Continue reading.
In figure 1.7b, the graph shows object how wait. In figure 1.7b, the graph shows how two objects are moving. The red line is steeper than the blue line because objects
Object A is moving at
object
a
A
high
is
speed.
moving at a high speed than object B.
In figure 1.7c, the object is speeding up, accelerating, shown by the graph line getting steeper.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
In figure 1.7d, the object slows down, decelerating.
In figure 1.7a, now I will explain. Distance not changing with time. Car is at rest. Line is horizontal. Speed is 0. In B, red one high speed, blue one low speed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because line red is more having more slope. It is more steeper. Okay? In figure
Yes, sir.
C, the object is speeding up. See, in 7C, I told you accelerating, right? Speed is
Yes,
increasing.
sir.
Going slow, speed is increasing. And in D, the object is slowing down. No. They have written something wrong. Yeah, the speed is object is slowing down. See, because
Yes, sir.
soon the graph will become like this, right? Straight graph.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And in E, they have not told anything about E.
No, sir, I've not said anything. Okay, that's E.
Yes.
Sir, E is
Yes.
down. I've seen E.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Some displacement time graphs looks like the one in the figure 1.7e. It is a straight line showing that object is moving with constant speed, but the line is sloping down to the right rather than up. It means why it is blurred? It is blurred, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wait. I will share this book with you after this class, okay? So that you can also read after the class. Okay, see, you know, guys, what is happening? When the line is straight but going down, we will call it negative speed. We will call it,
Negative speed.
yes. So we can say the object is going back on its path. The object is going towards the beginning. Like, see, let's say, where is my pen? Yes. Okay, see, kids, where is the car? Here, right? So we can say
Yes.
that the car is going away from the start point, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So its graph will go up like this. When the car is going backwards like this, we can say that the graph will go like this, okay, downward. When the car goes backward towards the starting point, okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In the upcoming topic, you will in the upcoming classes, na, you will get it more clearly. I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, it is also written here negative slope. This graph slopes down negative. Displacement is decreasing with time. That means car is coming towards the starting point. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. Now there are two things. One is called speed. One is called velocity. Do you know the difference?
Speed and velocity. Studied.
Okay. See,
So
I
I
will
want
tell you one thing.
difference.
Yes. There are two things. One is called speed and the other is called velocity. Other is called velocity. Okay, now I will tell you a story. This is your house and this is the school. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and You go to your school from your house. You are going to your school from your house. Is the path from your school to house, is it like a straight line or no? It
So
has
it's
some
at a
turns.
strict.
If you go like this, then maybe like this, then maybe like this, then maybe like this, then like this, then like this, like this, like this, and like this, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The path you take is not a straight line like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So the path that you take is called the distance. It will be called the,
Distance.
and the direct path, it will be called as displacement. It
The
will be called
the
Displacement.
displacement.
displacement. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like, let's say, okay, this is a circle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nakoma started from here, started walking like this, and reached here. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the distance covered by Nakoma is this distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the displacement is only this, the straight path, right? The straight path. Got it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, can you tell me the difference between displacement and distance?
So displacement, you don't need to like you don't need to move through other angles. You just need to go in a straight line. And distance, you need to pass through other lines before you go to your address.
Yes. Displacement, straight path. Distance, actual path.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now, kids, there are two things. You learned about two things. One is called distance, and the other is called displacement.
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 When you divide distance upon time, you get speed. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
When you do displacement upon time, you get velocity. Okay?
City.
yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now you will remember it. In this, from now we will study more about velocity and less about speed. Yes, you guys are on mute. I cannot hear you.
Please, sir, the things are blur.
Is
Yes.
it blurred?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What were we talking about?
Distance and displacement.
Displacement
You
and
understood,
displacement.
right? You
Yes, sir.
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Good job. Good job. Can you read this paragraph? Let it become clear. It is blurred. Can you read it?
I can try, sir. Some
Okay.
displacement, time paragraph,
Time
time
graphs.
graphs look
Mm,
look like the
mm,
one shown in figure 1.7e. It, it is a straight line showing that the object is moving with constant speed, but the line is sloping down to the right rather than up to the right. A gradient.
The gradient of such a line is negative because the distance that the object is from the starting point is now decreasing. The object is going back on its path towards the start. Displacement means distance traveled in a particular direction from a specific point.
So if the object was originally traveling in a northerly direction, the negative gradient of the graph means that it is now traveling south.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Please, sir, can you explain it?
What? What are you saying? Can you repeat?
Please, sir, can you explain?
Yes, I can. See, object going in north, the gradient is upward. Object coming back towards south, gradient is downward. Line is downward. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And after that, we have acceleration. We have the concept of
Acceleration.
what is meaning of acceleration? Can you tell? Do you know what do you mean by accelerating?
Yes, sir, like applying
Like
energy, force.
Applying force, increasing the speed, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by increasing the speed? Now it will go more distance in the same time, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you read this paragraph, this acceleration paragraph once, and then I explain? Can you read this
Velocity.
acceleration para?
Please, sir, can you repeat?
What?
So which one? So which one? I
This
talking about.
acceleration. This one.
So the unit of acceleration.
Where is? No, no, no. What do you see on screen?
Ah,
Can you see aeroplane and plane aeroplane?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This from here you have to start.
Okay. Figure 1.12. Figure 1.12 shows some objects whose speed is changing. The plane must accelerate to reach takeoff speed. In ice hockey, the puck in brackets small disc that the player hits decelerate
Wait. There are two things: accelerate, decelerate.
and
Decelerate means slowing down. Accelerate means
Yes.
speeding up. Speeding up, speeding down. Speeding up, speeding down. Okay. Let's talk about a small story. Do you ever play with the ball?
Yes, sir.
Let's say you both are playing with the ball. Okay. The
Yes,
ball
sir.
is moving. If you hit the ball, the moving ball with the stick, what will happen?
It will accelerate.
So
It
accelerate.
will accelerate. Okay. Now the ball is moving. You are not hitting it. What will happen after some time?
It will
So
decelerate.
It will decelerate due to the gravity, due to the friction of the earth. It will stop, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will decelerate. Okay, can you imagine? Just imagine. There is no gravity, there is no friction. The ball is always moving. If there is no gravity, no friction, the ball will always be moving, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Do you know the first law of Newton? Any object that is at rest or in motion, any object that is either in rest or in motion will remain in rest or will remain in motion until unless some external force is applied. Do you understand meaning of this?
No, sir.
That means you are sitting, I'm sitting like this, okay? If some force will be applied on me, then only I will move. Otherwise, I will not move. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like this glass. This glass is here, okay? This glass is here on this. This glass will not move until I apply some force, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or let's say some object is moving. It will not stop until you apply some pressure, some force on it to stop it. Like a ball is moving. When the earth
Yes.
applies the gravity and the friction, then only it stops, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So any object, it will keep moving or it will be at rest until unless you apply some pressure on some force on it. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. And after that, there is a formula for acceleration. I will tell you about the formula. You know what is the formula for acceleration? Look at screen, both of you. What was the formula for velocity? First, tell me the formula for velocity.
Formula for velocity.
Equals to
Depend upon time, right?
Just make
divided by time.
Displacement divided by time.
The formula
Divided
for
by time.
acceleration is change in
This
velocity. Change in
velocity
Change in velocity.
divided by time.
time.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
What?
Please, sir, is it alu or
This
sir
one.
in the change in velocity?
This one.
Yes.
Acceleration.
Just note down this entire thing that I am highlighting. Change in velocity divided by time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is change in velocity? Okay. For this, I will tell you a small story. Okay. See, look at screen. Nakoma, see, come here. This is the car. It is at A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Its speed is 10 its velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You started accelerating. It came here on B. Now its velocity is 20 meter per second. How much is the change in velocity? 10?
10 meters per second.
How you got that? This is the final velocity. This was the starting velocity, or we will call it initial velocity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How much is the change? Final minus initial, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We do not write final by F. We write it by V. Okay. Velocity.
Yes.
And we do not write starting with I. We write it with U.
You.
So what is the change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial.
You.
What is
Divided
change in
by
time? That is the time t. This is the formula for acceleration. Okay, acceleration. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, both of you just look at this formula. These formulas, they are telling you the same thing. See, final velocity v minus initial velocity u upon time t, or you can say v minus u upon t. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it? Both of you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So now you know too many things. Okay, can you do this example too on your own?
Yes, sir. Mm. Please have a question.
Please, sir, can we simplify?
Yes.
Please, sir, can we simplify?
Yes, you can.
So my question is, what's the unit of
Meters per second.
acceleration?
Unit of acceleration.
Yes, sir.
It is okay. What is unit of velocity? Tell me.
Meters per second.
Meter per second, right?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration is meter divided by second square.
Okay, sir.
And in next class, I will tell you how this unit came, from where this unit came. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, they must have written somewhere. Yeah, see, the unit of acceleration 2 meter per second square. Okay.
2 meters per second. Yes, sir.
You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. Not Nakoma. Nakoma got it wrong, I think.
No, sir, no, sir.
No. Okay. Can you see example 3?
Yes, sir.
An object hits the ground traveling at 40 meter per second. It is brought to rest in 0.02 second. What is its acceleration? Okay, see, first of all, just understand. Object is traveling in the beginning at 40 meter per second, right?
Yes, sir.
But it is coming at rest. That means it is not accelerating. It is decelerating. It is
Decelerating.
okay. Now tell me, be very careful when I ask. When object is decelerating, which speed will be more? The starting speed or the end speed? The
So which
starting
speed will be?
in starting it will be fast, then it is slowing down, right? Because it is decelerating. Yes. So this 40 is the initial speed. U is 40 and V final speed. What is the final speed? The object is at
0.
rest. 0. Very good. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
how much time? Time 0.02 second. So final speed, that is 0, minus initial speed 40 divided by time, that is 0.02. When you solve minus 40 divided by 0.02, this will be minus 2000 meter per second square. Got it?
Square.
Yes, sir.
This is the value of acceleration. Why it is minus? Because it is decelerating. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Understood.
Okay. So, okay, I think we can end today's class here. I will send you the homework in the chat. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir, I do.
Then
Please,
ask me.
sir.
Come on.
Please, sir. Please, sir, what is the difference between speed and velocity?
Yes, kid. Now I'll come to the point. So, let's say this is your house and this is your school. I'll again tell you the same story. Now, the way that you take to go from your house to school is like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the distance that you travel is 50 kilometer is,
50
56
kilometers.
and the time that you take to reach school is uh, uh, uh,
30
2 hours.
minutes.
Is 2 hours.
So,
Okay. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
your speed? What is the speed?
distance divided by
By
time.
time.
25 kilometer per hour.
Kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
But this is the distance. Now, what is the displacement? This is the displacement, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It will be less than the distance because you are going in a straight line. I am saying that distance is 50, but displacement is only 30 kilometer, the straight line, only 30 kilometer. But time you will again take 2 hours, right? So
Yes,
Yes,
the
sir.
sir.
velocity is 30,
15.
15 kilometer per hour. Okay,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
got it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. See, you are here. You are here. You started moving like this in a circle, and again you came
Yes.
back here. Again you came back here. How much distance you have moved? You have moved this much distance, right?
Yes, sir.
But how much is your displacement? Zero displacement. Because you started from here, you came back here.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So in this case, your distance is this all, but your displacement is zero. Displacement is
Zero.
Zero.
because again you are back from where you started. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is difference between distance and displacement. And speed is what? Distance upon time.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Distance
And
upon
velocity
time.
is what? Displacement upon time. In this
Okay.
case, your velocity is zero because your displacement is zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, any more questions?
No, sir.
No more questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do after this class? Eating food? Sleeping then?
Sir, I'll get rest.
Okay. 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 So then you can do what you are going to do, and now I will go to sleep. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Good night, sir.
Yes. Good night. Good night, both of you. Have a great
Night,
day. Enjoy
sir.
your day.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Surya.
Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye.
Thank
Yes, sir.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.